A violent crime occurs every second of every day somewhere in America. A recent report of the United States Department of Justice indicates that one out of every three citizens in America will be the victim of a violent crime at some time during their lifetime. What type of crimes are most frequent? Burglary of homes and robbery of businesses. After hours, those personal property items are stolen, electronic being the most popular items for a thief to take during a robbery. Most robbery cases, the thieves want to grab all the quick cash they can and get away as fast as possible. Don't forget to pick up the book Crime Victims USA by Dan Brown on Amazon. The most violent of crimes is murder. There are an average of 45 homicides every day in this country. More than 16,000 murders were committed in the United States in the last year. What happens after a crime is committed? The police are notified via a 911 call. Then they go to the scene of the crime and investigate. They investigate that scene for any evidence that might identify the persons who committed the crime. Once a criminal is identified and arrested, the criminal is taken to the police station and interrogated about the crime. In at least 25% of the cases, the criminal confesses to the crime and is booked into jail. After criminal charges are filed, the suspect is arraigned and enters a plea. A trial date is set for the suspect to appear for trial on the crimes for which he has been charged. Every person charged with a felony crime in America has certain constitutional rights. Under the Sixth Amendment, the criminal is entitled to a jury trial composed of citizens living in the community, and the suspect is also entitled to have an attorney present representing him in the case. The court must provide him with this attorney at no charge to the defendant. The American justice system provides that a person convicted of a felony crime has the right to appeal his conviction to the state and federal appeals court. This includes the United States Supreme Court, the highest court of the land. These appeals can take several years, though, and all the while, the criminal sits free on a appeal bond until all of his appeals have been exhausted. Now, the American criminal justice system clearly appears to be designed to protect the rights of the criminal victim. Wait, the criminal, not the victim, with very little regard for the rights of the victim. President Ronald Reagan was very concerned about the way crime victims were ignored in the American criminal justice system. During his term in office from 1981 to 1989, President Reagan signed a series of executive orders establishing certain fundamental rights for crime victims in the American court system. These rights include the right to be notified by law enforcement when a suspect is arrested in a crime that has been committed against the victim, the right to be notified of the filing of charges against the suspect and the subsequent court hearing that are conducted in any case involving the victim, the right of the victim to appear and testify in any court hearing involving the suspect, the right to give a victim's impact statement to the judge and jury during the sentencing phase of the case before punishment is imposed upon the suspect that has been convicted of the crime in which the victim has testified. Order your copy of the Crime Victim Book and find out. The book is available at Amazon right now. Order it and find out how much money you, as a crime victim, could receive from your government for having been the victim of violent crime in America. In addition to the information about the compensation money allowed for each victim, the book contains helpful instructions on the website, contact information, and claim forms for you to obtain your money within 30 days from the date you submit your claim. Pick up your phone and order it today. Also, go online to www.amazon.com and search for Crime Victim USA. You could be missing out on thousands of dollars if you fail to file your claim in a timely manner.